Živijo in dobrodošli v mojem videu. Okay, perfect. Živijo. You mean to say živijo in dobrodošli v mojem video? You can't crunch. Živijo in dobrodošli v mojem video. Živijo, dobrodošli v mojem video. Video, how do I say video? V mojem video. Video. Živijo in dobrodošli v mojem video. Decent. So if you haven't met me yet, I'm an American student living in Slovenia. I attend the Faculty of Economics, the Ekonomska fakulteta in Bežigrad. And this is my first language learning video series. I'm going to be learning Slovene with you. I'm going to be posting a video every Thursday, so make sure to tune in. Each week I'm going to recap basically what I've learned from the week. I just started a Slovenian language learning class, and so hopefully this really sparks my learning, but we're going to start with the basics today because I don't know much. So anyways, let's get started. Hey, just want to pop in real quick. Please hit the like button below, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and tune in every Sunday for a new video. Thanks. See ya. One thing I'm going to ask from you is that if I say something incorrectly or if I'm struggling with my pronunciation, please try to pitch in and give me some hints or help me out. Obviously, this is very foreign to me since I don't speak a Slavic language. So everything's new and I'm trying to learn, so just tune in and give me some comments about where I can get better. And I'm always going to be trying to improve each week. And hopefully over time we'll see together that I do have this improvement. So as I mentioned yesterday in class, we learned a few things. It was my first class. I'm going to restart that. So yesterday, as I mentioned, was my first day in the class. I missed the first 2 weeks of the course. So I'm actually starting on the third week. So I'm a bit behind, but I've been living here for a few months now, 6 months almost. And so because of that, I have a little bit of an understanding. But yesterday we spoke specifically about the family. And so I'm just going to talk a little bit about what I learned. Basically here in this book, it gives me a picture, and yeah, I'm just going to walk through who each people are with the pronunciation. I'm just going to do a basic family. So we have Dedek, which is the grandfather. We have Babica, which is grandma. We have Mama, which is the mom. Ochi, which is the father. We have Sin, which is a son, and this word is so hard for me. We have Herčerka. Is that right? Herčerka. I'm going to try it again. You ready? Herčerka. So just to go over what these mean quickly, one part I'm going to include in the video is that I'm going to, when I try to pronounce the Slovene, I'm going to write it down on the bottom, and I'm going to write it in English so that way everyone can be on the same page. The family is called družina. That's a family. So a family is družina. Okay, I'm going to read from Charlie in Tovana Čokolada. Charlie in the Chocolate Factory. Should I just start at page 1? Chocolade. Charlie in tovarna čokolade. Stran ena. Tale dva starčka sta oče in mate gospoda Vedrana. Ime jima je dedi Jože in babi Jožefina. Stran dva. Tale dva starčka pa sta oče in mati gospe Vedran. Ime... I want to give someone a shout out for buying me a coffee via my link below. Buy me a coffee. Cheers. Ime jima je dedi Jure in babi Jorka. To je gospod Vedran. To je gospod Vedran. To je gospa Vedran. Gospod in gospa Vedran, imate majhnega dečka, ki mu je ime Charlie Vedran. Majhnega. Stran, tri. Stran, tri. Stran, tri. Stran, tri. To je Charlie. Kako si kaj? Pa ti, kako si kaj? Kako si pa kaj ti? Charlie. Charlie je vesel, da te je spoznal. Da te je spoznal. All right, you ready? Okay, this segment I have some English sentences and I'm going to try to pronounce them in Slovene, and the videographer is going to help me once I mess up. So we're going to go for it now. Also, if you know Slovenian, please correct me below because it's going to be messy. Okay, you ready? Sim Aaron Arnold in America. Iz Amerika. Ich komme aus Atlanta, Georgia. Und ich wohne aus Dallas für 2 Jahre. My name is Aaron and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and I've lived in Dallas for a few years. Prihajem iz Atlanta, Georgia. Živel sem v Dallasu. Živio 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 sem v Dallasu. Živeo. Me veseli. Sim govorim angleško in malo slovensko in nemško. In malo slovensko in malo nemško. Okay, this segment I'm going to be saying Slovene words that sound like English words, but they mean a completely different thing. So we'll start with red. In English, it sounds like red, so it actually means order in Slovenian. The second one is svet. The second one is svet, which sounds like kind of like sweat in English, svet, but it means something completely different. It actually means world or light. But it sounds like svet sounds like sweat, kind of. A little bit. The last one we're going to do is grad. It kind of sounds like grade in English, but grad actually means castle. So like Ljubljanski grad or Predjamski grad, Predjama castle, grad Sevnica or grad Ptuj or Ptujski grad. Or Ptujski grad. I was there last week, 2 weeks ago. Ptujski grad. But grad sounds like grade, but it means castle. And the last thing I'll say is if you have any other words I should know or recommendations that I try to pronounce next week, just leave them below. Hopefully the goal over time is obviously just to get better and better and better until the point where I'll be able to really speak Slovene at a somewhat conversational level. In the future, we'll do fun challenges where we go to the market together or order at a restaurant or things like that. So over time, obviously I plan to get better. So yeah, tune in every week. And please, again, correct me below and really help me out because I need a lot of help. Thanks. Cheers. I never put the coffee in the coffee.